Guys, welcome back to another video. And first of all, thank you so much for 300 subscribers. It's a big milestone, and yeah, I'll try to post more content. But today we have an unboxing of Beyblade Legends Metal Fight of Rock Leone. So without further ado, let's get started. So we got instructions, a light launcher, ripcord, and a white tool. Let's set that aside. Took a bit to get it out of the plastic casing, but yeah, so anyways, let's go through the part by part. So here we have the Leone face bolt, and it's a lion with the Leo lettering on the fist. Trying to get the yeah, so it looks pretty nice. Although I do want to note that the coloring, there is a coloring difference. In the lion head is painted green on the face bolt, but on the box it's blanked, while the fist is, and the fist is white lettering on the actual face bolt. So and here is the clear wheel. So yeah, it's in the anime it's a dark green, but here it looks a lot more like a bluish, light bluish green here, but still looks nice. And here is the rock fusion wheel. It's a defense type, and I think it was pretty decent. I don't know, Rock Leone was my favorite Metal Fight Beyblade, and that's why I got it. My old one broke, so I had to get a replacement, and the TT ones are very expensive, so I just went for the Legends one. And here is the wide ball performance tip. It's a nice white, and we have the updated reinforced mold, and then we have 145 spin track. Pretty neat. Nothing too special, just very simple. And yeah, let's put it together. So we have yeah, the clear wheel, I believe, goes on like this. Spin track on, and then we can screw the face bolt in, and then we get this tool for it. And now we just gotta put the performance tip on. Yeah, and we have Rock Leone assembled. Alright, now we have it all done. Everything's all tightened. And yeah, alright. So all in all, this was one of my favorite Beyblades, and yeah, I just like the green of it. It's very simple, but I don't know, always stood out to me for some reason. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back with more videos hopefully soon, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.